God dang it.
Are you trying to do something?
Yeah, I forgot my phone was on charge, and I grabbed it and went to like pull it to me, and I yanked the wire out of it.
I know that pain.
In there.
Oh, Sonny's gonna die again.
Familiar faces.
I'm glad we're playing victims.
Oh, why is she so slow getting out of this? What the heck?
Yeah, some more slower than
Why are
others.
you so slow?
I was Sonny, I got out so quickly. He's like really close to us, but
Did you not have your
there's no
perk on?
toolboxes over
Oh,
here.
you do. I see it now.
Let's see. He's like right in there.
I know where. Oh, he's
So
right
he's literally right there, yeah.
You didn't see me.
I don't know, it kind of seemed like he saw you.
He did not. Oh, he thought I went the other way.
Where'd he go?
Y'all best not be taking him to be on God.
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know how to run.
Oh god.
I'm not good with this. I'm not good with this.
Y'all woke up Grandpa.
Oh, great.
Grandpa! I didn't open the door either.
There's a lot of them in there. Y'all moving.
Pretty sure he's coming. I didn't move. I didn't move. He's coming after you, Hannah.
I'll grab me 2 unlocked tools real quick. What map are we on by the way? Did anyone see?
Gas station, I believe.
Okay.
Gas station's a bit of an easier one to escape, ain't it?
I think it's usually more killers. I think the only really, truly easier one for...
God damn it.
Oh, hey, we're all here.
Oh, hello, Jesus. Y'all scared the hell out of me. I heard so much walking behind me. Oh my god, hurry! Y'all get up! Get up that ladder!
I'm just gonna go somewhere else. I'm just gonna go somewhere else. Never mind. Never mind. He came this way. He came this way instead.
He saw me. He saw me. I'm jumping. I'm just jumping back in the well.
Oh, hello, Johnny. Johnny. Yes, Papa.
He was waiting for us.
Oh, yeah?
No.
Oh, yeah, Johnny, huh?
Leatherface is coming.
Ooh, I hear him.
He saw me. He knew I jumped down the well. Come on.
Oh shit, I didn't realize when my focus thing, it takes away all my stamina.
If Johnny's up this ladder, I'm gonna die.
No, Johnny's on me, I'm pretty sure.
Where are you at?
Upstairs.
I see where you're at. I'm right beside you, Lacey.
Ooh, boy. Oh, howdy.
No, I don't.
Oh, my God.
Oh, no! Horace, you could have said you saw me or something, jeez!
Sorry. I was panicking.
You had both of them right beside you.
It's raining women.
And next thing you know, they're just like... Oh, no! All I heard was his...
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Johnny needs some help.
Wow!
You're not the only one. No, I had to jump back down the well.
You sussy baka! You sussy bitch!
I get caught by anyone, I'm dead.
I'm opening a door downstairs, sir.
trying to open this gate over there.
Ooh, I got some help. How bad do you need help?
Yo, what's up? What's up, baby girl? Why can't I close this gate?
I'm about to die.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Ah! Stop. You sussy bitch! Stop moving! The guy's yelling.
I have some help
I
if
got
you're...
the container gate open.
Okay.
I get what you're saying.
I'm right behind you.
Oh, somebody's in
Is
here.
this open?
Johnny's over here with the gate.
What's open?
The gate on the container side. I don't know if this is battery generator. I can't remember.
How'd you get out?
We did where the car battery is.
Is Johnny there?
Yeah, Johnny ran us off.
Did they hook the car battery back up yet?
I don't know, they might have, because Johnny's over there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Sassy Baka. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Aww, so close. So close.
Are you dead?
Why did you tell us you were opening the gate?
It was already open. Like, I didn't open it. The random did.
Oh, somebody's in
Is
here.
this open?
Well, you should have told us. I was so low. I was trying to hang out.
They're all over there.
It's whatever.
I'm
I
this
would
way
have
and try to find...
survived
Not
if
cool.
you would communicate.
It's fine. You win some, you lose some.
No, you gotta learn how to communicate. I didn't even know you were in there already. So the other teammate had to open the other gate, which I did not know, so I opened the other gate.
Yeah.
I hate these fucking chickens, man.
I hate chickens.
Fuck! I still alert that dumb ass chicken.
You got this, Jay. 1v3. Uh-oh.
I just don't know where the fuse is at.
Uh-oh.
Ooh!
Damn. Damn.
Just, the fuse is usually on the side of them.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Don't move.
Oh.
Oh no, he's
you
gonna
don't
find my
move.
charge! He's gonna find my charge! Oh no, this is unlocked! Bye bye, bitch!
Uh-oh.
Get out of my way!
You know Leatherface coming.
Oh, that you should do that.
I knew it was gonna happen already, so...
Run, boy. Run it up well. You know it's on your left.
Thing right there. Oh, never mind.
Right there, right there, right there, right there.
Leatherface
Yes,
right
sir. Yo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Jay. Let's go.
there. By J-Lo, right there. Oh, you
I'm dead though.
Start
I
recovering.
have help though. I have help though.
Start recovering.
Come on, come on. Get up,
So they
get up,
can
get
get
up,
down
get
there
up, get up, get up,
easily.
get up, get up,
Come
get up.
on, come on.
I'm gonna pop my health as soon as I get up.
switch over.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get up, get up, get up.
There you go.
How the hell do I get out of here?
I don't know, but Grandpa is screaming.
Oh. You can always escape from the battery gate. Again, you just have to turn the battery off.
Yeah, I know.
Got them fast hands.
Oh, you're Connie. You could go to the gas station part where the generator is and go through the door with just using your ability.
Yeah, I know. That's what I want to do, but I don't know. I think I heard something up here. Okay,
Yeah,
where am
be
I
quick.
at right now?
Let's just see right there.
I don't know. Where am I at right now? Okay, I didn't mind right now.
Where's your gate? So you gotta go the opposite way if you want to go that way.
I might just... I don't know where our best try is. Because neither of the front gates are... I have to unlock those first, and then I have to
Oh,
unlock
yeah.
the other.
There's chicken.
Well, there's only one door you have to really unlock.
What was that sound? Oh, my condition's deteriorating.
I believe both gates are unlocked.
Oh yeah, he's in the house. Go, go, go. You good, you good. Make sure you close that behind you so they don't know. Oh, never mind. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Uh-oh. See if you get behind the gate. Oh, she goes.
It's going to go.
Is there any kind of little...
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh.
What the fuck are you doing back here? Is there a well back here?
Did they turn it back on? Did they not turn it back on?
No, it's all on.
No, it's on.
Oh, that's closed. I'm dead.
There was a side entrance on the side right there. Oh, maybe there wasn't. Oh, that's all one.
Run, girl! Run, girl! Close that fence behind you! There you go. There you go. You got it too well.
I'm about to die if I don't get any help.
Oh, I thought you were going to drop down the well.
No, he's gonna die if he goes under the... You about to die either way. I'm sorry, but you ain't got no chance.
I think I would have took.
I run for that goddamn money.
I think I would have took the chances with the well. Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
I unlocked it though. And they didn't get the kill.
No, right.
I'm mad that I could have escaped before he didn't even tell me.
I'm sorry.
Connie, it's so slow.
With Anna. Who's Anna?
Danny.
Oh, Danny, why did you run through that?
I didn't even hear anything, or I didn't see anything show up on ours.
This way. So I think someone just walked by.
I said I hear him.
Either ignore the text I just sent you.
Hold on, I'm in the middle of something.
No, ignore the text I just sent you.
Ignore it, okay.
I said I was telling you to get on, and then I checked Discord, and you're playing. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, you go grab you one, Connie, and let's get the hell up out of here.
I got a tool.
I'm probably gonna try to grab two.
Yeah, do that, do that.
I got two.
Is it?
That'd be better.
Probably on the other opposite side. So I don't really know. I was like, why is that freezer making that noise? It was like a furnace or something.
He's getting really close to us, right?
Uh-oh.
I thought I pro-gamered him, he pro-gamered me!
I'm gonna try to get a door open.
Bitch! You sussy! Oh my god, bro. He's so behind me.
Yeah, he chased you.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm opening the door in the lair.
We're doing the ladder.
Okay, I'm opening the door in the lair.
And like that, he never knew what happened.
We get close.
Alright, I just unlocked this gate. Might open it soon. Yeah, me too. Oh shit. Is that you, Horse? Am I here?
I don't know, I'm squeezing through something, brother. Where you at?
Okay, oh no. Oh, I made a mistake.
Brother!
Uh-oh, he's gonna know for y'all.
Why do I hear the gang of his chainsaw?
Oh, there's Sissy.
No.
Don't come this way. Sissy's over here.
Sky garden. How are we thinking about escaping? Oh, chicken! Stupid chicken!
I'm not sure.
Man, I've gotten so much better at this game. It's insane.
Oh god. I just literally fucking hid from Leatherface around a little tiny.
Oh,
Yeah,
Six out.
keep
Side
his
garden.
attention on y'all.
He's listening. He's listening.
Alright, I'm finally unlocked my door. I'm coming up.
Oh, I'm right here beside you, horse. I'm gonna come up right behind you.
Alright, it's a ladder. So.
Oh no, why'd you close it back?
My bad, bro. Ain't no sussy wussies up here, is there? Good.
No idea. This is probably the kitchen one, I'm guessing. Uh-oh. I hear his chainsaw, but I hope he's still downstairs.
I hope he's still downstairs, too.
I might go try to open the... Uh-oh. He's near me, at least.
Hey, do you have an unlock tool?
I do. I might try to unlock the...
No,
you want me to unlock the front?
Yeah, unlock the front. Unlock the front. Unlock the front.
Okay, give me a second. I can hear him.
Are y'all unlocking the front?
Yeah, I want us to unlock the front.
Maybe. How you doing?
Doing good. How you doing?
Ooh, watch out.
Yeah, I'll be your lookout.
Oh, I did not mean to
Start
set that
unlocking.
off.
I'll be your lookout.
Take it.
I'm gonna use my focus and get through it real quick.
Oh, he's dating scared.
Are you fucking kidding me?
What?
Fucking Sissy was right outside when I opened.
Oh, my bad.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, no, you're not. Where you at? Come here. Where's Sissy at?
Right here.
Come here, you sassy bitch! She's stunned. She's stunned.
God. I can't run right now. I can't run. I can run.
Stop chasing him! Stop chasing him!
Oh, this stupid little tongue. Connor, bitch. Front door's open.
Yeah.
Text Danny, front door's open.
They just closed it.
I just closed it.
He just closed it now.
Oh, flipping crap.
Danny's upstairs right now. I'm
I
not sure
was
who.
too. Go down the freaking ladder.
Yeah, Danny's trying to get fused.
I really tried helping you, Jay. I really did.
I know. It's when I use my focus a bit, I basically get no stamina for it. I have to wait for it to run out. Stamina again.
Yeah.
But of course, right when I unlock that fucking door, there's
Yeah, since he just
right at the bottom. Did you turn the generator? No, you didn't.
I'm about to. Where's the generator at?
It's either right at the fence. If it wasn't right at the front, you have to go back out to the side of the house.
Here's the
Basically
wire
just
for it.
Yeah, that shows you where it goes.
Oh, it's all
Yeah,
the way
that shed
over
to
here?
the left.
Oh my
Yeah, the shed to the left of the
man.
building. They probably don't even know you're outside right now, though.
Yeah, I'm just gonna run.
Danny's got Leatherface chasing him.
I'm just gonna make a run for it then.
I'm downstairs.
Yeah, Leatherface is still upstairs. I'm not sure where anyone else is at.
There it is. That's what I was looking for. I'm gonna come up side garden.
Okay. Horse is almost to the generator.
Oh boy. Alright.
The generator's
There you go.
over.
Generator's
It is
off.
off.
Generator's off.
Danny's still getting chased upstairs.
But tell Danny I say he's doing a good job. He's doing a good job.
He is doing a good job.
Do I have to unlock this fence over here, or
Go
should
past
it be
Grandpa.
unlocked?
No, it's gonna be wide open since the generator's off.
Oh, well, I'm safe then. We won. GG.
What'd you say? The front door is unlocked. The very front door.
to go past Grandpa.
Oh. I'm sorry. I think you might be able to sneak around, but I'm not sure if you can or not.
I don't know.
You get really close to that little thing.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna be on anything else tonight?
I'm probably gonna hop
you're
on
there with
Hearts
the
of
chicken
Iron
right there.
4 after this, because Jared's waiting.
You gonna be on anything else
Is the
tonight?
generator still
A game
off?
that I can play?
Maybe.
Generator's still off, yes.
There we go. Okay, I escaped.
How did you escape?
The generator.
Download it, let them know.
We told you that the generator was off. What do you mean?
But it lets them know.
Oh,
Turn
I
it
didn't
back
know.
on. I'm not there yet.
Fine, they can't turn it back on that fast. You're right there.
Yes, I can. From that distance.
I think when me and Matt were playing that, we had the fastest escape. We literally spawned in, lockpicked 3 things, and got out.
Nice.
Which map?
I don't fucking know. I was level 2. I don't have the game anymore. We didn't even go in that house. I didn't even go in that house. I literally like lockpicked the door, went up a thing of stairs, lockpicked the door, went out to this open area with a shed, lockpicked another door, and I was out.
Danny is like the
like
cook was like right beside him, bro.
Mm-hmm. He's just hiding upstairs. He can't do
Well,
nothing.
their face is cutting generator on, I'm pretty sure.
Did you text Danny and tell him the generator was off?
Oh yeah, I text him. He's saying they don't want him to fix it. I think Danny might be able to get the fuse. And if he is,
I think he has a
Oh, they
fuse
cut
on.
generator on. Generator is on.
Danny almost fucked up just now.
Yeah.
They just get Grandpa level 1.
Yeah, these killers kind of
Yeah,
suck.
I guess so.
They have not been that.
That's not very nice.
Yeah, fucking the Leatherface didn't tunnel me. If that sissy wasn't waiting outside the door. So mad. Yep, he's sticking the fuse in. 13. 7 and 5, or no. 9 and 5.
Alright, well the fuse is done.
Oh, yep.
Cool.
Basic.
Fucking bitch!
Danny's just gotta get down there now.
I'm just gonna play you. Dog get mad.
Oh. See him drop down.
Yeah, Danny's in a tight spot.
Yeah.
No, the basement exit's open. You just gotta go.
Yeah, basement exit's open.
I'm pretty sure he knows where it's at, too.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
He's
that.
pretty sure he does. He's ridiculous high level.
Yeah. He's been playing that lately.
Yeah, he's going straight to it.
That's the exit? Bro, I'm sorry
Yep.
that you died, Jay, but
Yep.
you killers suck.
Dude, I'm telling you.
You hear that? He's calling you bad.
It wasn't that Jay was bad, it was just a bad situation he was put in.
You said the killers suck, and then you, right before that, you said that
Well,
he died.
you can watch it
Before
yourself
you are
because I'm
claiming that he
recording.
sucks.
I'm recording right now, so you can watch it yourself. Whenever I go to my play the video.